Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In today's behind the scenes video, I will share with you a beautiful editorial inspired photoshoot with my friend Raleigh. For a long time, I had the idea that I wanted to shoot some makeup with bold colors. I wanted to look like an editorial spread, so I need some element to carry the idea through all the photos. And finally I had it. Fruits. They are colorful and an interesting element to the photo. For our first look, we chose a pomegranate because of its red color. Here the makeup is very natural and only the lips are red. We also tried to find quotes that are similar to the color of the fruit. And with the red, I think it worked out perfectly. I shot the whole shoot with my Canon R6 and my Canon RF 24-105 lens. I chose this lens because it's the sharpest one I have, and I wanted to have both my model eyes and the fruit in focus. I shot all the looks on a white background to make the colors pop more. For the red look, I used one big deep umbrella with a diffuser. The white was positioned to the side of the model, facing the reflector that I put on the opposite side. My model was positioned a little bit behind the setup. This way I get soft light with slightly gradient from light to dark in her face, to give it more dimension. Most of the shots I took from a slightly lower angle. But at the end of the first set I tried some high angles, just for fun, and it ended up to be my favorite pick from this look. Let's talk about the second look. The green look, which was inspired by the kiwi. This time I used two lights. The main light was the umbrella from before, without the diffuser and positioned in front of my model. This time the model was further away from the background, so I used a second light to brighten the background, as you can see. For the second look, the colors didn't work perfectly together, because the dress was a different shade of green from the kiwi. But you work with what you have. I say that because in the past I used to give up on ideas because they were not perfect, and now I think that was a mistake. And here is our last look, the pineapple look or the yellow look. An interesting fact for me is that it is my favorite fruit and my favorite color. For this set I use an octobox with a diffuser, but a lot smaller from the umbrella. My idea was to demonstrate that you can get good results even with a one smaller light. We started the photoshoot with my model in a sitting position, and I like the results. Still, I wanted to try some different angles which are not typical for a makeup shot. So guys, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!